Having trouble with your Samsung phone's camera or changed a setting by mistake? In this guide, I'll show you how to reset your camera settings to their default values in just a few simple steps without deleting your photos or videos. To get started, unlock your Samsung phone and open the camera applications. Once the camera is open, look for the settings icon, the small gear symbol. On some Samsung models, you may need to tap More first before the settings option appears. The location of the gear icon can vary slightly depending on your phone model and One UI version, but it's usually found in the top left or top right corner of the screen. Inside the camera settings menu, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Reset Settings. Tap on it to continue. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to reset the camera settings. Simply tap Reset to confirm. Within a few seconds, all camera preferences, including filters, shooting modes, timer options, aspect ratio, video settings, and other custom adjustments will be restored to Samsung's default settings. Remember, this only resets the camera app's configuration. Your photos, videos, and other personal files will remain completely safe. That's all there is to it. Your Samsung camera is now back to its default settings and ready to use. If you're still experiencing camera problems after the reset, try restarting your phone or installing the latest software update, as these steps can often resolve lingering issues.